What did Allah say? This is the word of one of the two daughters of Shu'aib alayhi salam about Moses alayhi salam. But because it is in the verse, it becomes the word of Allah. Because Mal has transmitted it. Would Mal have transmitted it if he did not approve of it? Hire him as a worker. Moses, peace be upon him, came. The poor sat at the bottom of a tree, waiting for someone to offer him food. He ran away from Pharaoh. He came all the way to Medina, the famous story. People lined up at the well to carry water. But there is one well there. And they put a big rock on top of that well. They can't use that well. Oh, 10 people can hardly lift the rock. Moses was so strong that he looked at these two girls standing behind. Why are you standing behind like this and not getting involved in the line, he said. They said, there are men. We are Ahl al-Bayt, daughters of the Prophet. So how do we get involved here? We will wait for everyone to take their water. This time they stayed to the last. They also missed their turn. He said, okay, come on, you two. They said, our father is too old. Shu'aib, peace be upon him, was 100-odd years old. They said, he can't come either. We don't have any other men. He said, okay. They were also surprised. He lifted the rock alone, the rock at the head of the well. They drew their water. He closed the rock. The girls went home. Shu'aib alayhi salam thinks that they will come late. Why? He said, don't interfere with men. Don't get in line. No man in front of you or no man behind you. Shu'aib alayhi salam said, why did you come? They said, we drew water and came. Was there no line at the well? There was. Didn't I tell you not to interfere with men? Stay to the end. They said that a young man had come. He was very strong. He opened the other well for us. So we drew water from there. He said we should offer him a treat. Go and call him. He sent one of the girls. One of the girls came to Musa, peace be upon him, under the tree, waiting for Allah to send him a meal. My Allah, I am poor and in need of food that you will send me. He says you will send it. He wants it from Allah. He doesn't want it from anyone. There are so many people there. He doesn't say to anyone, I am poor, I am hungry, I have come from the road. Prophets do not want. Musa alayhi salam has not yet become a prophet, but he has the ability to become one. He was born with that morality. My father is calling you. He said he will pay you for giving us water. Musa, peace be upon him, said, we do not work for pay. We do not ask for or receive anything in return. But you said, my father is a blessed man, very old. Let me come and visit him. On the way, the girl is going in front of him. She will show the way. Musa alayhi salam had walked a little behind. He said to him, you go behind me. Give me directions behind me. The girl understood his wisdom. Anyway, Musa alayhi salam's eyes do not look at the haram. He does not look, but his eyes do look when he wants to see the way. There are no zippers on the clothes like now. He says, give me directions from behind me in case the wind blows them left and right. After that, Shu'aib alayhi salam loved him very much, offered him treats and so on. They have flocks of sheep. There are no men, and the girls have to take care of them. They have a hard time. One of the daughters said, Father, take this one as a shepherd to work for us. Every prophet was a shepherd. Hire this one to be our shepherd. Look at the wisdom, the knowledge in the girl. The prophet's daughter, of course. The best of your workers. You won't find anyone better. Why? He's very strong. How did you know that? He lifted the 10-person rock by himself. He's very reliable. How did you know that? He told me to come behind me and lead the way. He didn't even make me walk in front of him. Such an honest man. Do you see? Here is the attribute of strength, the attribute of trust, the attribute of reliability, the attribute of not looking at the haram, the attribute of not walking behind a woman, leaving no room for the slightest mischief, and staying away from blame. All these are mentioned as superior attributes of the Prophet in Surah Al-Qasas, verse 26.